So I'm here at Hayden Run Falls here in Columbus. I have never been here before. I've heard of it. Was curious because I'm right here. Had to stop the REI before getting to the conference. And holy cow, man, this is a freaking awesome waterfall. So I decided to bring the camera out and I'm just gonna get some, I think I'm gonna get some photos of it. I want to get some long exposures. And there's a couple people here walking their dog and stuff, so I feel relatively safe having an expensive camera out here. I don't know. Seems like a pretty upscale area. There's some overlooks up here that you can get to, some platforms you can look at it from up above. I'm gonna try to find those. I don't know. It's cool. Pretty freaking cool. I like that. So let's head up and see if we can get a view from up top. I don't know, that's a pretty darn good view from the bottom, but pretty cool. This is a neat area. It's cool finding these new locations near home, because this is really close to home. Awesome stuff. Pretty darn awesome right there. Cool little waterfall right here in the downtown Columbus, Ohio. It's called Hayden Run Falls. Pretty awesome. There's another falls right near here called Indian Run. Might try to find that one while I'm here. Check them both out. Very impressive. I was pleasantly surprised how cool that was. Pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm at my second destination. This is called Indian Run Falls. I hear it. Just not sure where exactly it is. Oh, that must be it down there. Let's go check it out. So it's actually multiple cascades is basically what it is. There's first little fall here, second fall, and actual Indian Run Falls is a lot bigger and it's farther down. I'm just trying to figure out how the heck to get to it. Not really sure how to get down there. That's a sick waterfall. It's really nice. And I do not want to walk down there in these shoes. Okay, so I think I found the actual waterfall. It's down here, so there's multiple layers of falls, but I think that's the actual Indian Run Falls down there. Apparently I have to go all the way around to get to it though. It's pretty cool. There's a group of firefighters doing search and rescue training. They're actually doing a rope training class back here right off of this cliff, so I'll get to see them. They're going to teach other firefighters how to do this. It's really cool. I was talking to them about it. That's awesome. So I'm going to go around and try to get a better view of the actual main waterfall. See what I can get. This is cool. Man, this is pretty. Thanks guys so much for coming along. I'll talk to you real soon.